Meet John. He's 45, has a great career, a nice house, and two kids looking at colleges. On the surface, he's doing everything right. But a detail hidden in his finances, one most people in their 40s miss, reveals a terrifying reality that could force him to work forever. This isn't about a risky stock or a market crash. It's more common and more dangerous because it's silent. We're going to expose this mistake, show how it wrecks your future, and give you the steps to fix it, starting today. Number 1. The illusion of security. John's finances probably look a lot like yours. He contributes to his 401k, has home equity, and a rainy day fund. On paper, it looks good. The problem is an illusion of security. John is so focused on current expenses, mortgage, car payments, rising grocery bills, and college tuition, he's overlooking the most important factor for his future. The mistake John is making, the one almost everyone in this stage of life makes, is chronically undersaving for retirement. It sounds too simple, but the long-term effects are devastating. John is saving, but not nearly enough, and he's not treating it with the required urgency. In your 40s, you're the sandwich generation, squeezed between your kids' needs and helping aging parents. Your future self is the easiest to ignore. Today's needs are screaming, while tomorrow's are a whisper, and that whisper is your financial future slipping away. Number 2. The brutal math of time. This is where the math gets scary. Time is your most powerful wealth-building tool, thanks to compounding. But after 40, that window is shrinking fast. Waiting to save now is far more costly than in your 20s. Let's use an example. Sarah starts saving $10,000 a year at age 40. By 65, assuming a 7% annual return, she'll have over $630,000. Now, Tom waits just 5 years, starting at 45. He saves the same $10,000 a year. By 65, he'll only have around $410,000. That 5-year delay cost him over $220,000 in growth. That's the brutal math of time. Every year you wait, the mountain gets steeper. John's savings rate wasn't enough for a 30-year retirement, especially after factoring in inflation and healthcare costs, one of the biggest retirement expenses. Number 3, the vicious cycle. So how does this happen? So why do smart people fall into this trap? Undersaving isn't a single choice, but the result of 3 common habits in your 40s. First, lifestyle inflation. As your income goes up, so does your spending. A bigger house, nicer car, better vacations. It feels like a reward, but you're trading future freedom for today's comfort. That extra money gets absorbed into a new, more expensive lifestyle. Second, carrying high-interest debt. That credit card or car loan is an anchor. A card with a 20% APR is a guaranteed negative 20% return that actively fights against your investments and erases your gains. Finally, the sandwich generation trap. It's tempting to prioritize your kids' college funds over your retirement. But remember this. Your kids can get loans for college. You cannot get a loan for retirement. By sacrificing your own future, you risk becoming a financial burden on your kids later. Number 4, the 4-step rescue plan. Okay, don't freak out. Make a plan. Here's a 4-step rescue plan to get you on the road to financial freedom. Step 1. Pay yourself first, aggressively. This is non-negotiable. Automate your savings. Before you pay any bills, pay your future self. Start by contributing enough to your 401k to get the full employer match. It's free money. Then, work towards maxing out your tax-advantaged accounts like your 401k and an IRA. A great trick is to increase your savings rate by 1% every quarter. You'll barely notice, but it makes a huge difference over time. Step 2. Build your firewall, the emergency fund. This isn't just a savings account, it's a firewall that protects your investments. You need 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses in a separate, high-yield savings account. Without it, a surprise bill could force you to raid your 401k, which kills your compound growth with taxes and penalties. An emergency fund lets your investments stay invested. Step 3. Attack the anchors, high-interest debt. You can't get ahead while being dragged down by debt. Aggressively pay off any debt with an interest rate over 7%, especially credit cards. Paying off a card with a 21% interest rate is like getting a guaranteed 21% return on your money. No investment can promise that. Kill the debt to free up cash for your investments. Step 4. Do an honest financial checkup. You can't fix a problem you don't understand. Get brutally honest with your numbers. Use an online retirement calculator to see where you stand. Better yet, talk to a fiduciary financial advisor to get a real, actionable plan. This is also the time to review your investment portfolio. Make sure it's diversified and not too conservative for your age. With 20+ years until retirement, you still need growth. So what happened to John? That scary moment was his wake-up call. He and his wife took action. They automated their savings to max out retirement accounts, started their emergency fund, made a plan to kill their debt, and had an honest conversation with their kids about college costs. It wasn't easy, and it meant sacrifices, but for the first time, John felt in control. He wasn't just hoping for a secure future, he was building one. The biggest financial mistake after 40 isn't picking the wrong stock, it's inaction. It's letting the illusion of security stop you from building a secure reality. You have the income, the knowledge, and you still have time, but you must start now. The moves you make today are the foundation for your life tomorrow.